Hello and welcome to English Company. Today we will learn how to ask questions in classroom. So learn English with Alex and Maria. Let's just start this. Hi Miss Maria, I have been wondering how to ask questions in class more politely. Can you give me some tips? Of course, Alex. Asking questions politely is very important. Start with phrases like excuse me, could you please, or I'm sorry. For example, excuse me, Miss Maria, could you please explain that concept again? That sounds good. What if I didn't understand something specific? In that case, you can say, I'm sorry, I didn't quite understand something specific. Could you explain? This way, you're being specific and polite too. Got it. And if I need more details or examples, you can ask, could you please give us more details about this topic? Or could you provide another example, please? It shows that you're interested and want to learn more. That makes sense. What if I want to ask about something we learned before? You can say, I have a question about something we covered earlier. Could you please explain again with respect to a particular topic? This helps the teacher how exactly or know exactly what you need. And if I'm unsure if my question is relevant, you can preface your question with, I'm not sure if this is relevant, but then ask your question. For example, I'm not sure if this is relevant, but how does this concept relate to what we learned last week? That's really helpful. How should I address you and my classmates when I ask a question? Always use polite forms of address. For teachers, you can say Mr., Miss, Mrs. and the last name. For classmates, use their names. For example, Miss Maria, could I ask a question about the homework? Or John, could you explain how you solved that problem? Thanks, Miss Maria. I feel more confident about asking questions in class now. You're welcome, Alex. Remember, asking questions is a great way to learn, and being polite makes it easier for everyone. I'll definitely keep these tips in mind. Don't forget to subscribe English Company. Let's learn together English for everyone.